Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix camera glitch after iOS 26.2 update. So if you're experiencing any camera glitch after the update of iOS 26.2, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First up, you just need to open up camera, and if you're experiencing any type of camera glitch, what you need to do is simply turn off your camera app, like completely turn it off. Now after that, what you need to do is just simply restart your device by just simply going to your phone settings and just simply restarting it, or just simply a small reset, like going to your transfer or reset and then pressing on reset, and then just simply doing a short reset, like reset home screen layout or reset location and privacy, and just restart your phone by just restarting the option by just turning it on and off. Now after that, what you can do is just simply go to your camera option. So you just need to search up camera and you'll see camera. And over here, what you need to do is just make sure that you turn on and off all these settings, and make sure that indicators and everything are on whatever you would like to have, and make sure that lens correction and everything is turned on, whatever like to your choices. So once you do all these, the camera glitch will be fixed. So yeah, thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.